There goes the ferry. I think it's going to somewhere like Corfu or one of the islands off Igoumanitsa. The big ferry, the super fast ferry, has just come in. It's a hive of activity with ferries. They're coming and going all the time. My sailing goes at 1 o'clock in the morning because I was supposed to go on the 2 o'clock sailing, which was cancelled as they have industrial action, which has made it a bit more awkward for me getting to Italy, but hopefully it should be okay. It's a beautiful morning. It's the hottest day of the year for me. Yesterday was at least 30 degrees. Igoumanitsa is surrounded by mountains. It took me 7 hours to drive here from Bansko yesterday. It's a long way. The road's good and there's lots of tolls on the way, but I managed it okay. I was very tired when I got here. Hotel on the 3rd floor, so I had to carry my bags up, which was not very nice. But it's a beautiful morning and I've just been in a traditional Greek cafe to have my breakfast. And I feel as though I'm on holiday. It's really lovely. I love to see the ferries. That's super fast. I don't know. What's that super fast doing now? Yes, it's reversing in. I don't think I'm going on the super fast. I think I'm going on the Grimaldi, the blue one, which is, I think it's 10 hours. So I get on at 1 and I get off, I think, at 9 o'clock. How uncomfortable it's going to be, who can say, because I haven't booked a cabin. Let me just pan around a bit more. Yes, it's not very big. Igoumanitsa is not a big place, and it's here all on its own. Really, just on its own. That's all I can get in the shot at the moment, but this is one of the first that I've filmed for a while. Oh golly, I'm not tired, but as on my travels I'm not properly dressed yet. Had to come out and ask for an extension on my room, but I've done all that, so let's take it from there.